Being honest, thought there was gonna be more competitive parking, but damn, GTI looks good. Let's go for a drive. Hi. Honestly, I don't like warm starts as much as I like cold starts. So, I got some places to be. I'm a little busy. It's a nice little night. So I guess I just figured I'm gonna start doing some POV drives because I enjoy driving and the car's cool. Maybe people want to know what it's like to be a high schooler, daily driving a modified GTI. Not like high schoolers never drive modified GTIs. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm not a particularly special individual, but I need to get gas and I have to head back to my town. So I figured might as well bring you with me. Also, don't know how to get out of where I am. But we'll figure it out. Okay, bad start. Look who we are in a stance, boy. We're driving an all-terrain vehicle here. Well, I hope everybody had a good day. I had an alright day. It's always better driving though. I don't know where I am right now. Okay, this is a dam. Oh, look at me. I found my way. Signal my way. Signal. Oh, I gotta get my token. Okay, we do a little pull. as if I would be better off downpipe resonator delete. I might hate the resonator delete. You can always put a nice resonator in. But basically my mid pipe in my exhaust is already destroyed, so I might as well just get like a CTS resonator delete. I mean, CTS, we'll see. I'm just not sure what I want to do. I'm gonna go catless because I don't have a lot of money to spend. Like, I need a clutch. I need to get a clutch. I'm hoping to go to ethanol at some point if I can find it, because that would be a lot cheaper than me going IS38. But then if I am ethanol equipped, you know, then I could go ethanol if I were fully E85 or even E30. E30 is probably my best bet. But if I was E85 IS38, dude, I would be right where I wanted to be power wise. So I don't know. But yeah, so like I said in the last video, if you're interested in my ECS muffler delete, I would in fact sell it to you. So there's all that information. I probably should just make these videos talking to my camera, and then I can edit them down however I wish, so they don't annoy my friends. At least you guys elected to talk about cars. But yeah, there's a little bit of stuff that with the muffler delete I don't like. It sounds good most of the time, but personally, knowing that I'm going to be going downpipe, I would prefer to have a different exhaust setup. Plus, having the rear suitcase muffler, it's a little bit sleepery, also not that much heavier, and if I do a new mid pipe and a catless downpipe, it's all going to be about the same weight. And honestly, the weight reduction doesn't matter if you have a fast car. So it's only a couple pounds. I think it's 15 pounds saved from the muffler delete. So I mean, if you save 10 pounds on the other setup and it sounds better, I think I'd take that over the other options any day. Wow, Main Street is bumping tonight, and I need to get some gas. So, gonna be a little bit of a bad mood if I cannot spend all my money to put 93 in the tank of this car. Are we going to be able to fill up? I don't know, because it looks like I probably can, but it looks like there's a hop knocker doing some weird stuff. See, nobody understands driving a Euro car how I have to take a guess. Just totally cut that guy off. Okay, I'm over with this.